Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to set up a Rainbet account. If you're into crypto, you have probably heard of this platform called Rainbet, or maybe you just want to try it. So in this video, I'll show you how easily you can use this one. So right now we don't have any app for Rainbet. So for that you have to go to your browser, just simply search for Rainbet. You will get its website link, which is rainbet.com. Just simply click onto it and then you will be able to register for your account. It will just take a while into the loading and then you will be onto this page. Once you get there, you can see we have the option for a login and register. If you would like to access or explore this website, you can just simply select it and then you have to click on register. Now there are different options through which you can register. You can either register with your email address, a Steam account, a MetaMask, or a Google, which is the Gmail. So you can click onto it and add your Gmail account, and after that you will be able to get registered. Now you have successfully logged in with your account and it will give you a username that you can use. Now it's time to explore this platform. You can just simply go to different pages and see what is included into it. And after that, if you want to do any of the changings, you can go to your profile and can access your profile. If you don't want to continue with the Google, you want to continue with the email address, and I'll show you how it could be possible. So you just have to simply go to the first page and click on register, then add username, email address and password. You can just simply create any sort of username, make sure it is a unique one, no one else have the same one. Then you have to click onto this I acknowledge and then click on create account, and after that your account will be created. You can also go with the Steam and MetaMask if you would like to, and once you do so your account will be created and then you can just simply enjoy this platform. So that's how you can set up a Rainbet account. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, leave a comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.